turn 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. 1, 2, 3 and turn. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk, 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 turn. Alright? So it's fairly easy. Alright? So won't take you long to catch on. So it's called the walk. And the name of the song is We Went by Randy Houser. Okay?
Black Pontiac with a pocket of cash, foot on the gas, ready and throwing up a little dust like a pickup truck does in the mud, but ain't nobody slowing us down right now. She said I need a little something with some get up and go, and nobody knows how to get me going quite like you do when you're doing the things that you do. Wanna get this sleepy cold run town, something to talk about. We will tell so good, we didn't want to end, so we went looking for a dive just to kill some time and the heat cooled off. We could do some dancing, didn't take long, just a couple of songs. You know it's last call when the law comes walking in. So we would tell lights fading from some blue lights chasing, put a path through the car off County Road 44, toward the fence, jumping the ditch. So good, didn't want to answer.